some of you are wondering, Emeka, I have 2 books. Can I set up a lottery ad? It's not really going to work the same. I have 3 books. Can I set up the lottery ad? See the same question for I have 2 books. You need a few more books. You need like 4 or 5 books. And the cool thing is, the majority of you have a crap ton of books that don't do anything on Amazon because maybe you're not in a program, you've just been publishing whatever you want, and you're kind of still finding your footing, which is cool. But if you create a lottery ad, so it's an auto campaign ad, and you choose all of the books you've published, all of the books. That means coloring books, nonfiction books, fiction books, like all of your books. And you put them in that one campaign. And you set the bid for between 6 to 10 cents. Don't go any higher than that. And you set your daily budget between $50 to $100. Now, I used to say, I think in my first video, yes, we are live right now. You're not watching the replay. This is live. So I used to say, set the daily budget to, I think, like $5 or $10 on the first video that I filmed with lottery ads. I'm spinning at the camera. And what I have learned since then, because I myself am always learning, is when you increase your daily budget, it's not necessarily that you're going to spend more, but you're telling Amazon you are willing to spend more. There's a difference. If you run lottery ads with a $5 daily budget, right? You're basically telling Amazon what? Hey, I'm willing to spend $5. That's it. And so they have to show your book to a smaller cohort of people in order to help you hit that budget. But if you say, hey, Amazon, I'm willing to spend $100 a day on these ads, they're like, sweet, I'm going to show your ads to a ton of people, and let's see what type of buyers we can find. So they push your ad more. We're talking about lottery ads. So if you set your budget to $50 to $100, right? I just do $100 a day for all my ads now. It doesn't mean that the campaigns spend it that much, right? But I just want to give Amazon the correct signals that I'm here to sell books and make money. I don't want you throttling my ads because I put a $5 budget day or $5 daily budget on my campaigns.